så må vi håbe, vi kan sælge noget af alt det wienerbrød, vi har lavet her i nat der, ikke?
Det er sandelig også.
Ikke? Hvor vores sønner har...
These Vikings would rather bake than fight. Paul Paulson and his family opened a new Danish bakery today at the city market because Friday the 13th is their lucky day. Paulsons own 10 bakeries and restaurants in Denmark and America. He always opens them on the 13th. Says it brings him good fortune and lots of business. Maybe he's right. It wasn't long before the 50th customer was walking away with a pretzel-like creation guaranteed to ruin a ballerina's figure. With names like Spandauer and Cam and Kringle, these pastries are all Greek to me until you pop them in your mouth. And then, magical things begin to happen.
Everybody wants to know the secret of Danish pastry. What makes Danish pastry so much better than any other kind of pastry?
Fordi at dansk pastry dansk wienerbrød er det bedste wienerbrød, der laves i hele verden. Alle lande i hele verden efterligner dansk wienerbrød og prøver på at kalde det dansk wienerbrød, men det har ikke noget med dansk wienerbrød at gøre.
Remind me never to ask that question again. Unless I can find a translator, it looks as though the mystery of the Danish pastry will remain a well-kept secret. Brian Dampier, Channel 8 News at the City Market.